Hello dear children, welcome to 6th standard computer science 31st class. Today we are going to see lesson 9 book exercise and question answers ma. So listen carefully children. All of you take page number 99. So exercises, A multiple choice questions. Question number 1. To assign multiple keys as primary key, hold down the dash key and click the row selected for each field. Answer B caps lock. Second one, using in the query wizard, you may option A select fields one by one, option B select fields two at a time, option C select all fields at once, answer C select all fields at once. Third one, which database object is used for viewing and printing the records? Answer A form, option B report, option C query. Answer option B report. Which of the following is not a way to create forms? Option A split form, option B datasheet, option C merge form. Answer option C merge form. To know how the report will look when printed, click on option A view script print, option B header footer print, option C view script print preview. Answer option C view script print preview. Then B filling the blanks. Question number 1. To selectively retrieve data from a table is known as answer querying. With the opening of the query window, a new tab option opens up in MS Access 2016. This is the dash tab, design tab. Third one, datasheet is a way to create answer form. Dash are the ways to produce the data stored in databases and tables in printed form. Answer answer reports. Fifth one, report wizard is a command part of the dash. Answer create tab. Next, all of you take page number 100 children. State whether true or false. Question number 1, multiple keys may represent a primary key. Answer true. Split form is a type of display of form for a table. Answer true. On creating form, 4 new tabs will open. They are collectively known as form layout tools. Answer false. Forms cannot be modified in Access. Answer false. Report allows detailed view of each record of the table. Answer false. Okay. Then match the following columns. First one, in MS Access split form, the form occupies the answer first one upper part of screen. Second one, in MS Access split form, the table occupies the answer D lower part of the screen. Third one, the font size or color of the of the matter written in the form can be changed using answer B design tab. Fourth one, these are used to check each record of a given table one by one. Answer forms, E forms. Fifth one, this tab allows to change the view of report. Answer A format tab. Okay children, listen ma. Have you understood children? Yes. Next, answer the following questions. So all of you take page number 100. First question, what is a report? All of you take page number 95 children. Answer reports. Reports are the ways to produce the data stored in databases and tables in a printed form. Then question number 2, how is the form command used to create forms for a table? Answer, take page number 92 ma. Question number 2. Answer, all of you take page number 92. Use of form command. Step 1, select a table for which you want to create form. Step number 2, click on the create tab. Third one, form from forms group, click on form command. Next step, doing so the table will give forms. The number of forms will be number of rows in the table. Forms are represented by the following icon. The form command of create tab is owned by the form of the table created in the above way can be formatted also in various ways. On creating form, 3 new tabs open, namely design, arrange, format and the form layout tools heading. Question number 3, how is the form created if we choose to use split form option? Take page numbers 93 ma. Answer. Click on create tab on ribbon. Now from forms group, click on more forms. A drop down list appears. Third one, now from the list click on split form. MS Access creates the form in the upper half of the window and displays the datasheet view in the bottom of. The two views are separated by a bar. The bar can be moved up or down to resize the lower window using the vertical scroll bar. The upper window can be seen up or down. Use the options under the form layout tools heading to make changes to the split form. Okay. To view split form, அந்த விண்டோ நீங்கள் தேவைப்பட்டால் ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ கம்பல்சரி கிடையாதுமா. Then question number 4, explain the options of the design grid of the query window. Answer, take page number 91 children. Answer, field. A row that displays the selected fields from the table. This row shows the name of the tables from which fields are selected. So this row displays the check marks. The fields that contain the check marks display the information when the query is being run. Then sort. This row is used to filter the data either in the ascending order or descending order. This is optional. Then criteria. This row holds the conditions on the basis of which the records will be filtered in the query output. Okay children. Next one. Then question number 5, explain the types of queries in Access. Answer, take page number 89 and 90. Answer, creating query. Queries are made on tables and the result of a query is also displayed in the form of a table. Queries provide an efficient ways to retrieve specific information from the database. They are like simple questions. Access allows you to create 4 types of queries. First one, select query, then update query, then crash tab query, then append query. Next page la irukuma 90 la irukku append query. Select query means it is used to retrieve the records from the database according to the specified criteria. It displays the searched records in the datasheet view. Then update query, it is used to update the database. Then crash tab query. Crash tab query means calculate some average or other aggregate functions and then groups the results by the two set of values, one down the side of the datasheet and the other one across the tab. Then take page number 90, append query. Append query selects the records from one or more data source and copies the selected records to an existing table. That's important question ma children. Then take page number 100 children. F application based questions. Question number 1, you have to enter data into a table using a good looking interface. Which structure of Access is capable of such data entry into a table? Answer, forms. Okay, FORMS, forms. Then second question, Rahul has created a database of his classmates containing marks and age of students. The teacher has asked him to display data of those students who have marks less than 60%. Suggest to him an object to perform this task. Answer, query. Okay children. Then application based questions. First one, Access, ACCESS, Access. Then second one, report, REPORT, report. Then queries, QUERIES, queries. Then database, DATABASE, database. எல்லாரும் குறிச்சுக்கோங்கம்மா. So lesson 9 is completed. ஸோ போர்ஷன் முடிஞ்சுதுமா நமக்கு. ஸோ 9th லெசன் வரைக்கும் தான் போர்ஷன். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு வந்து ரிவிஷன் கொடுக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருவேன் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்லேருந்து. தென் பீரியாடிக் டெஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிரும். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் வந்து பீரியாடிக் டெஸ்ட் அண்டு ரிவிஷன் போர்ஷன் சொல்கிறேன். ஸோ நமக்கு வந்து 9th லெசன் வரைக்கும் தான் போர்ஷன். ஓகேவா, எக்ஸாமுக்கு வந்து. ஸோ லாஸ்ட்டு 2 லெசன் வேண்டாம். ஓகேவா சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ 9th லெசன் வரைக்கும் போர்ஷன் நமக்கு முடிஞ்சுது. ஸோ எல்லோரும் வந்து கிடைக்கிற டயத்தை யூஸ் பண்ணி இனிமேல் படிச்சுக்கோங்க. எக்ஸாம் வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிரும், இயர்லி எக்ஸாம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிரும். ஸோ எல்லோரும் வந்து இதை வந்து புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் அண்ட் கொஷின் ஆன்சர்ஸை குறிச்சிக்கோங்கம்மா. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஓகே. Today homework lesson 9, study and write lesson 9 fully. Okay children, next class 1 to 9 lesson revised. Okay children, okay ma. Okay, test portion 1 to 9 lesson. Okay ma. Then next class revise the portion. Thank you children.